Hello, Susie Queens and Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion coming with the food today. So we got some broccoli, potatoes with sides and um uh this kind. I don't know this is. And yeah, and then goes some meat here. So we can dive in. So we got so let's eat some broccoli here. Who says sushi? Yes, this is this. Mmm. It's good. We have your Daxo, and I love it. Wow. Alrighty. And now we go to the potatoes. Who says sushi? Yeah, this is sushi. Yeah, this is this. Mm. It's good. Wow. Wow. We got stripes. You have the good with some red stuff and potato by itself. Oh, so good. And it's actually meat. That's good with meat because I love to gut things. Okay. Yes. Here we go. Bam. Stab. Ball. And ball. Here we go. We are going to say sushi. Yes, this is this. Mmm. Cherry. Pink. Not pink. And this is a meat. And I love it. So very simple a free video today. I love making this stuff because it's so fun. So I'm watching Shoot Up on Deck now, and I love it. So thank you for watching all the videos. I'll actually edit my action vlogs on getting this channel here. You can check it out. And also I do the intro to anticipated this channel. I will settle that into anticipated this channel. It'll be awesome. And then 2 more will be done. I'll do episodes. I have one to review on Extreme Wars I missed. And that's it. So stay tuned to that. So thank you for watching my videos. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and don't notification bell. Never miss a video, and please press that canary boss on my YouTube channel, to his King Sushi channel, and subscribe to this channel too, please. And please please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And every time with that, I have 2 words to do. Sushi, yeah.